Hi everyone, this video is a quick comparison between the Intex ZX300 and the Intex ZX100. So I have both because I had an issue with the connector on this one, and Amazon actually sent me this one so that I can get the connector because they don't have just the connector. So that's a good deal for me. I got this thing for free, plus I got an extra one. The main difference between the two is this one here can climb through the walls. This one doesn't. This one is listed for $199, but Amazon always have it on sale, so it's about $109. This one is listed at $99, but they also have it on sale right now for $59. So there are about $50 difference between the two. Both of this can push in 700 gallon of water. Both of them will need 1600 gallon per hour to 3500 gallon per hour pump, and they use the same fitment type. Okay, so both of them uses this fitment, and if you look here, the water that goes in here to out here to the hose into your pool is about 700 gallon per hour. So the rest of the water pressure is actually released through here. So you want to make sure when you set this thing up that you set up this button according to the specification of your pool pump. Okay, so you want to have it down when you have 2100 gallon per hour pool pump and below, and you want it out when you have 2100 gallon to 3500 gallon. Okay, so if you look here, this thing comes with a ball. I think that is what makes it go up and down into the pool wall. And if you go under, so this is a little longer, but both of them have this comb, but this one have an extra brushes right here. So this brush can actually help to keep your pool floor and pool wall clean as well, because as this thing moves, it also moves the brushes with it. Okay, so this thing brushes your pool vinyl. This one only have the comb. This one have a larger wheels compared to this. And I noticed that the ZX100 actually moves faster compared to the ZX300. The ZX300 moves a lot slower compared to this. You know, since I run my pump 8 to 10 hours a day, it doesn't really matter to me, because I think the longer it stays in one area, the better it can clean that particular area as well. Okay, so let me go show you how big the container is. So to remove the containers are basically the same. You can see here the ZX300 have a wider and larger container compared to the ZX100, and also the ZX300 is also deeper, okay, compared to this. So definitely the ZX300 can capture a lot more dirt. What I could say is I don't really have problem with this size right here, because look at this, how much it collected, because my pool area doesn't really have a lot of leaves. Okay, so this is all I have. That's for, I think, just yesterday or 2 days ago. Okay, so I only have like small weed flowers that are getting brought into my pool by the wind. So let me go ahead and show you how to put it back. So to put it back, all you need to do is just align this, push it in, one goes up, one goes down. Same thing with this, one goes up and one goes down. So you might be wondering which one do I prefer between the two? I would say if you have the money, go with the ZX300 because this thing can actually climb through the walls, so it will also help your pool walls to be cleaned also. This one is only cleaning your floors. So since this is only going to the floor, what you need to do is you need to brush the pool wall from time to time, okay? So I hope that you found this quick review helpful to you if you're deciding between the two, and thank you for watching.